We are at my newest listing at 334 Elmira Place in Candler Park. So when you first enter this home, the most amazing thing is all the original Craftsman details. There are 11-foot ceilings, they're coffered, we have the original pocket doors. It is just dripping with charm everywhere you look. It's a really, really special property. And as you enter, you'll come into the formal living room area with the fireplace that has been restored so that you can use the coal basket, and the formal den on the other side. Then we have this stunning dining room with all these original built-ins opening into the white kitchen. So this is a larger than most Craftsman. So all on one level we have 4 true bedrooms plus the den. So in addition to the regular rooms, we also have a true owner suite with a beautifully restored bathroom that's very period appropriate with marble and interesting built-ins. So coming into the backyard, it's a beautiful flat space with a large deck, an additional flagstone patio, and then you have this amazing carriage house. So you have the 2 bays that are perfect for storage, and then upstairs you have a full 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment that could be rented for additional income. It could be a perfect home office. It could be a great in-law suite. The possibilities are endless. So my very favorite thing about this house is this front porch. It's a perfect spot for gathering with neighbors or for relaxing with a glass of wine at the end of the day. This is also the most ideal location that you can walk to Little 5 Points, to Candler Park, to the Beltline, shops and restaurants. It is perfect.